What we booking?
Zap, you gotta choose right now. Dude, it's like a $40,000 fix. What's this?
$40,000 fix?
You give me 10 cards?
Dude.
Check in every day.
Whoa.
I'm here for meetings. We bought this in 1990.
1990s is the building?
Dude.
Whoa!
Do you know how much is water and cheese? It's probably like 12.5.
This is 12.5?
It was like 25. Dude,
Oh, hey. How is that?
How are we in there?
How is the
Tar's been it. Tar's got a fat ass. Yo, let's get our private rooms.
Let's go get him.
Come on. Let's go.
Where's the pools, man? Does this smell like
Oh, dude.
Now we're talking.
Now we're fucking cooking.
Let's get it going.
Where are you going though?
It's bed only.
Easy, Gordita Crunch. Cheesy, Gordita Crunch. He's tickling me.
Chill. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit you.
Come at us. Try us. Catch me outside. How about that?
Jesus.
How's she look?
She's cute. I sent you a picture.
Dom, who wins this?
Pin. That's a pin.
What can he do?
He worked his way out. Easy. We're going to the kitchen room. Yo, you guys broke into the kitchen room?
We'll keep the doctor away.
You broke into the kitchen room? Dude, you just see.
Come on.
Dude, is this acceptable?
Call it over.
Is this part of the SOPs?
Wait, you saw nothing.
She saw nothing.
Nothing, girl.
You guys be careful.
Thank you.
We ain't driving.
Okay, so house is empty, but we need to count some cash.
Time to put this thing in here.
How many pieces of 2x4s is that?
About at least 52 by 4s.
Maybe more.
But, you know, I respect good wood. You know, when you buy wood from Home Depot, you're buying at retail. When you get it from a sawmill, we should go to a saw. You know, we should buy wood from a sawmill.
These are fresh chickens.
Because sawmills sell wood.
Is it better?
That's the freshest wood, and they sell it to the builders, and then they sell it to
Really?
Home Depot, and then you buy it from Home Depot.
Really?
So,
Tark,
this
you ever
is-
buy wood from a sawmill?
Yeah, I have.
Really? Yeah. Tark buys wood from a sawmill.
That's the way.
Go, baby. That's a view.
Also, one time, I think based on accusations, he guessed our ages. One was wrong. It was like, what did he say? 27 or 28? Slow-mo mode.
Got you.
Are you on slow-mo?
I could turn to slow-mo later.
Alright.
Catch.